Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2023 Trends International Design Awards, where we celebrate the best of the best in home design throughout Australia. Our awards program is brought to you with the support of our sponsors, Bremworth and Resine. This presentation is proudly produced by Adjacent Communications and in association with the podcast series, Now I Am Listening. Here to announce this year's awards for home design is the chairman of the TIDA judging panel, Paul Taylor.
Welcome to everyone joining us as we announce the third and final stage in the 2023 Trends International Design Awards, the awards for Australian homes. Firstly, thanks to all the designers and architects who have entered their projects into this year's TIDA homes, those that have entered in previous years, and especially those that have entered TIDA for the first time. While we aim to make the process as quick and easy as possible, we do appreciate you making the time to enter projects that are obviously the result of the considerable flair and skill we see in Australian home design. I'd also like to acknowledge the support of our sponsors, companies that play their part in the success of our TIDA Awards program. So thanks to our associate sponsors, Resine and Bremworth. And thanks also to our presentation sponsor, Adjacent Communications. The TIDA Awards are unique in that they're not restricted to one group of professionals, but instead aim to reflect the wide variety of design options available to homeowners in Australia. So TIDA Homes includes new homes, renovations, interiors and apartments produced by architects, building designers and interior designers. While there can only be one winner in each of our categories, many of the homes that are entered are undoubtedly worthy of recognition. And so we start our announcement today with those entries that received highly commended awards across all the various categories. Congratulations to all our highly commended entries. Moving on now to our next awards, here are the runners-up in the different categories. Congratulations to this year's runners-up. 6 projects that we'll be showcasing in the various Trends channels in the coming weeks. And now it's time for our final awards, our category winners. These are homes that stood out for the way they have addressed the challenges that are always part of the home design experience. whether related to aspects of a difficult site, meeting specific homeowner requirements, or ensuring the final built result reflects the initial vision of the design. First up is our award for interior design, covering both apartments and standalone homes. Winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year is Di Henschel of Di Henschel Interior Design.
It is not uncommon for home design professionals to have to satisfy two owners who come with slightly differing design requests. And that was the situation for the interior design of this expansive family home that overlooks the Sunshine Coast. He was a professional dancer, musician and singer in his earlier life before entering the corporate world, and has an outgoing personality. She has a quieter, more ordered personality, wanting everything in its place and only natural materials to be specified. Key to solving those opposites was a large pavilion on the plan that hadn't been designated for any specific function. This was developed into a glamorous performance area with raised stage, a huge backlit bar and games area. That contrasts with the calm and natural atmosphere of the living areas of the home, such as the main lounge with its curved furnishing, a custom carpet with a design representing falling leaves, and a custom balsa wood wall light in the form of a stylized flower. Separating the lounge from the dining room is a full-height timber-framed mosaic panel which also incorporates a leaf design. In keeping with the use of natural materials, timber paneling and cabinetry is also used throughout the home, such as in the kitchen, hallway and master suite. For the TIDA judges, this project demonstrated a skillful implementation of interior design concepts across a substantial home with wide-ranging spaces. Congratulations to Di Henschel of Di Henschel Interior Design, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year.
Our second award today is for homes by building designers. Winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Designer Home of the Year is Daniel Loma of Daniel Loma Design.
The original home on this long, narrow site did not flow or work well for the family of 5 that had bought it a few years before. But instead of demolishing the home and starting from scratch, it was decided that a renovation would lead to the best possible outcome. The starting point of the design was creating street-level access to the garage and entry by demolishing the existing garage and porch stairs at the bottom of the driveway. The replacement structures now give the home the street appeal it previously lacked, as well as easy site access to the garage and to the entry for guests. With the existing main living area located at the back of the block on the river, there is almost a 70-metre walk from the home's entry to this point. To reduce the perception of this distance, a series of interesting focal points such as sunken courtyards, river views and swimming pool area adds interest and makes the journey a pleasant experience. The enlarged and refurbished kitchen has made the back of the home much more suitable for the large family, as well as for entertaining, while the dining area links to the al fresco facilities beside the pool. The TIDA judges were impressed with how this substantial renovation project has successfully overcome the site challenges and transformed the existing property to create an impressive and cohesive home. Congratulations to Daniel Loma of Daniel Loma Design, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Designer Home of the Year.
And finally today we have the award for Architect Designed Home. Winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Architect Home of the Year is McMahon and Nerlich.
In this renovation, a red brick and terracotta roofed Edwardian home has been radically transformed into one of light and renewed spatial flow. The original home had badly deteriorated and had a layout from a time that ignored solar orientation and connections to the outdoors, resulting in a dark, damp interior. The renovation not only floods natural light into the addition, but reworks the original heritage structure, introducing light and garden views into the heart of the home and improving thermal mass. At the front, the home has been reconfigured to accommodate the master suite and other facilities. Behind this, the two-storey addition is separated from the heritage front rooms with a glazed link, giving a clear gap between old and new. Clad in grey fibre cement compressed sheet, the L-shaped addition establishes a flowing indoor-outdoor connection to the north-facing garden. Inside the new structure, the steel posts and beams have been clad with timber, adding to the warm ambience of the timber-lined ceiling, kitchen cabinetry, staircase and furnishings. The children's bedrooms are located on the second floor of the addition at the opposite end of the home, giving privacy to the master suite. While tucked into the linking space between old and new on both levels is an acoustically separated study, one for each owner. The TIDA judges felt that this project exhibited a highly considered approach to the treatment and integration of the old and new elements, creating a modest yet distinctive home on a strict budget. Congratulations to McMahon and Nerlich, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Architect Home of the Year.
Congratulations to our three TIDA Homes category winners, who all now go forward into the international section of TIDA Homes to be judged again, this time alongside award winners from other countries. Thanks again for joining us for this year's TIDA Homes Awards presentation. You'll find full coverage of the winners, plus the other results, on the TIDA Australia Homes page on trendsideas.com. Plus, watch out for our e-newsletters and posts to our social media channels. We'll be back again next year with our three 2024 awards, TIDA Kitchens, Bathrooms and Homes, when we're looking forward to showing you more of the world-class homes that Australian architects and designers produce. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you very soon for our next instalment of the Trends International Design Awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our presentation for the 2023 TIDA Australia Home Awards. Our awards are proudly brought to you in association with our sponsors. Learn more about the winners you have seen today by visiting trendsideas.com.